In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete an existing category while discarding its usage, step by step. This is a quick but very important task if you're cleaning up your account structure, removing unused categories, or simplifying your setup. A lot of users get confused about whether deleting a category will break anything, so I'll show you exactly where to go and what happens when you remove it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main dashboard or home screen of the software. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where all the configuration and account level options are stored. After clicking on Settings, a menu or settings page will open. On the left-hand side, or sometimes within the main settings list, look for the section labeled Accounts. Under the Accounts section, you'll find an option called Categories. This is where all of your existing categories are managed. Click on Categories to continue. Now you should see a full list of all the current categories that exist in your system. Take a moment to review the list and identify the category that you want to delete. This is especially useful if you have duplicate categories, outdated ones, or categories that are no longer being used in your workflow. Once you've found the category you want to remove, look to the right side of that category row. You'll see a Delete button, usually represented by a trash icon or a delete label. Go ahead and click on the Delete button next to the category you want to remove. When you do this, the system will delete the selected category and discard its usage. That means the category will be removed from the master list and will no longer be available for future use. In most cases, the software automatically handles this cleanup without requiring any additional steps from you. After the deletion is complete, you'll see that the category is no longer listed in the category section. That's how you know the process was successful. You've now officially removed an existing category and cleaned up your account structure. And that's it. As you can see, deleting an existing category is a simple process once you know exactly where to click. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.